the dust.
2 weeks later.
No room to judge. Talking business, slow down. Lips first touch. Get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with.
And when you're here, you're family.
Yeah. 72 hours later.
I made a mess, G5 by the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. My money stretch from south to the west. Boys the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Kept me knocked down, left the nut on the list. Running catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah. Nigga fucked up tryna hide the drum on the stick on the side of switch. Call up a little pretty vibe, pull up and let her massage the dick.
No, I know that's right.
Wait.
72 hours later.
We're gonna go get our auntie. She lost.
Yeah, she don't got a damn thing.
African auntie on the loose.
Yeah, so
Also, we need to get loud.
loud? You need to get loud?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. What camera is this? Is this the VH10? 7?
Do we see her? Keep an eye out. Oh, no, those are kids on a bike.
She wish she had a bike.
She's definitely, is she this far?
Yeah. More bikes. Yeah, anyways, you know, you gotta figure out the country and the cities.
And transit.
Yeah, it's a lot. So we gonna try to help a girl out and go scoop her up. Major plot twist with the auntie you guys wouldn't even believe. But I'm probably gonna turn that into a story time because you cannot trust nobody. Trust no one. Yeah. She not even can't even consider her auntie no more. Time how a refugee came and tried to ruin my life. Oh god. So, yeah. It's Uber over here.
Still don't see her.
Yeah. But she was, the fact that she said she was at the Shell already was actually insanity. Like, girl.
Yeah, but what
unless
she say,
you was,
asshole?
no, but then she said Pizza Nova.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's only one Pizza Nova.
She wouldn't be on these little streets.
I'm your Uber driver. Get in.
I didn't order an Uber.
We've got one now.
I'm good, bro.
Oh my fucking god! Get the hell in!
72 hours later.
And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E, fuck nigga free. That means I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga.
Anyways, y'all, That's in my room, but I wanted to show you guys your nephew after his haircut. So cute. We had to slap on a little shirt because he was getting a little cold. Yeah, say hi to your aunties and uncle. He loves that. He's had that since he was like literally 8 weeks. That was his first toy. So cute. Anyways, our girl TT's birthday. That should be a lot of fun, and we're gonna take pictures and all that good stuff.
A few moments later.
The knot in my sister's shoulder and neck, cause that's the person I am. Relax now. She's a little extra, so you wanna. Ow! Stop. Ow! Ow! You're fine. Relax. If you don't relax, how can I remove the knots? See? It's getting better. Ow! Oh my god! No, Nikki, no! Relax. Yep.
What you stretching for?
I always stretch. Baby, I do Pilates and all kinds of shit.
Yep. It's here.
Ah!
It's here. It's fine.
What the heck is that? She's just making some up.
You don't know.
There's some people that the doctors that get their degree off quiz like, what are we doing? Oh god, we're doomed. Please.
Okay. How you feel?
Not good at all. I'm probably gonna wake up worse.
Yep.
Ah, Nikki!
You're fine. Oh yeah, c'est tense. Oh god.
What are you? That's like my bone. What do you mean tense?
No, you're like, I mean, it's looking a little crooked from my angle.
What the heck are you doing, bro?
You don't know.
Yeah, no one knows. It's not a thing.
Oh my god,
Nick, I'm gonna need you to relax. Right here, right there. I feel it right there.
All right, so take a deep breath. We're gonna crack your arm on 3, okay? 1.
I feel no stress. This is so dumb. It just hurts and then I feel nothing. There's nothing going on.
You do. She just fronting for the camera.
No.
Try this at home, folks.
Yeah, it did help, but
see?
That last part didn't.
See? No, it did. It's all a part of it.
It's still like...
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
What are you talking about?
You're like not pressing the right spot. It's literally here. I can like feel it. Do you not feel that? No, do you not feel that though?
I do.
I know you feel so... like, ow! Like, oh, ow, you just hurt me for like that long and then just to come back, I do.
And that's it. Oh my little baby.
I'm gonna wake up worse.
Well, Mrs. Griffin, you have 3 crushed ribs, but I was able to stop the internal bleeding.
He's so handsome in his shirt. Look at the camera, Ori. Look at the camera. Okay, guys. That's it for, yeah. I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Ah, d'accord.
Ouais.
Ok.
Peut-être 9 ans.
Ça c'est ça dans votre français, hein?
Okay, guys. We made it to our destination.
Lips first touch, lips first touch. Get left in the dust, left in the dust. No room to judge, no room to judge. No room to judge. So tonight you
I don't want to ever hear that we're always late and not punctual. Always. Anyways, it's 6:58. We're here. Everyone's supposed to be here at 7 p.m. sharp. Well, I guess we're giving them 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. And you're done. For 5. Yeah, they're not here yet. Yeah, no problem.
You should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let
Okay, guys, so we're here early. Is it 7 yet?
Yeah, it's 7:01.
7:01, and nobody's here. Just us. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
Really?
I'm sorry.
Really? What time was you supposed to be here?
I'm only like 5 minutes behind.
5 minutes is a little bit too late, Miss. I like to be on time.
Okay, let's go. All right.
We're always on time. Always punctual. Period. What is it? It says early is on time is late, and late is just idiotic. Yeah, idiotic. Don't even show up. So, anyways, guys, I guess we'll talk to you guys when the food is here, or like our guest food. That QR code? No, I have no idea.
Like so far. Let's see. It looks actually really fine. And then just move the top. And then this brings it. This, like, imagine this is solid and like look, you just go like that. You pick it up like that. Yeah, I use the index finger. Wait, what? You did it though. Just grab it, grip it. Wow, don't shake, don't be scared. Bro, it's hanging on. Then you gotta go from the middle. Like,
You uncultured swine.
oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, well, wait. Yeah, wait. There you go. Big purr. Wait. Oh. Oh my God.
Wait, I can't back. Look at your back. Yeah. Okay. Your dominant hand. Okay. Like, you gotta crisscross. That's so.
Can you just imitate this first? Or should I?
Look at how she's holding it.
Exactly. Okay. And then, so the middle finger keeps this one still. Don't move. The index finger is going to move this one. So I lost one. So you go.
Are you slow?
Go like this. Because it's like you're gripping it. And then when you grip it, you can hold it and lift it. Don't listen to her.
Okay, go. Oh, bro.
Oh, bro, that's not what she said.
I'm trying. I'm fucking trying. I've only been doing this for 2 fucking days. Like shit. Give me a fucking break.
The bounce is a good part.
And then the only pause when you're moving this one. So they start off parallel. What the hell?
The way she's so still and there's like so much going on. Girl. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Those scales sound terrible. You fat and lazy. You leave now.
No, please. I gotta get better so I can be as good as my friends.
Back again.
I'm trying.
Try harder. Play better.
Is somebody making a Cuban sandwich?
That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, really good. It kind of tastes like orange chili.
Yeah. What are you thinking? She's like, I'm gonna be sick. You don't like it? No, it's good. But I like this, but I think it's only because it's like deep fried. Yeah. I think potato or something. It's rice. Oh, rice? Oh yeah, it's carrying. Yeah. It's what? Carrying. It's carrying. Gotta cleanse my palate with the yam. Okay, I love this one. The archive all place again. I can't decide. Actually, just like a thing in mind. I can't even die. I better stay inside. I can't do the night. Maybe you want to reach you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time. I might.
Live yourself, please. Don't be a foolish idiot.
I'm not. What? You guys have no couth, no decorum. Where'd you get those words from? Look 'em
My addiction to coconut jelly is actually insane. This is what you first. She got you tiramisu.
A few moments later.
Someone should have just paid and then like
all of us just now if we pay, he's gonna be like, he's gonna follow us down there. The minute we open the camera, arrested. He's gonna be like, why are you?
We could have said we didn't know, like if
yeah.
You know?
They pull out the video of us getting aren't you a York University student? No. Please. But yeah, guys. Say something.
Who, me?
Yeah, it says if you see something, say something. Because this campus is not safe at night time. Okay, guys, so apparently you need a permit now to take pictures down there.
Like where's the free will?
Right?
Like, smile. He was like,
I'm dead.
and Anaconda is literally just filming herself. Like, he's like,
oh, God.
He said no more time.
Just let me be in your life like that. In your life like that. I bring the light right back.
Alright, so that food, let me see how much we actually got to go. We got that. I don't know where my sister put it. I just shoved that in there, so.
I don't care. 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 I don't care.
I don't know what else I got. Where'd you put the food just now? Oh. Hi. Any food? No. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ignore the baby dog. Bye.